Alright, now it's time to manage our images. Okay, now as you can see, if we type the command docker images like this, you can see that we have two images, the hello world with the tag latest and the image ID and when it is created, and the Ubuntu image. And again with the latest and this image ID and when it is created and the size of it. Alright, now what if I want to remove one of these images? What should I do? Well, I will use the command docker rm, but not rm only, because rm is used for containers, to remove containers. rmi, from its name, remove image. So simple. So if I dash help to learn more about it, sorry, 3 dashes I put. Yeah, you can see remove one or more images, and you can see we have the dash f option, which is the dash force removal of the image. And you can see we have the no prune, don't delete, and tagged parents. Alright, so I want to remove, for example, the hello world. So docker rmi and the hello world. So either you're typing the name of the image, which is the hello world, or actually I prefer to put the image ID. Okay, so if you can see that we can have the remove image ID like this. And if you have a lot of images and you don't need all of these images, you just want to remove all the images you have, you can put the previous command we already learned, which is docker images -q. So if I type docker images -help, you can see that we have the q option, which is -wait. So docker images -q. So here it will show image ID, and then remove all the images you don't need them. Okay, so for example, you have 100 image and you need to remove all the images, you can just type docker rmi and then put this, and here docker images -q and -a if you want to remove the intermediate images as well. Okay, so this will remove everything, but we don't need that actually, because we just need to remove the hello world, which is this one, and I will take the image ID like this. So if you can see docker, still typing yes, okay, docker images, you can see that yeah, it is deleted. So even if I type docker image -a, which is all images, you can see that the hello world has been deleted successfully. Now again, if you have look here, so we learned that if you issued the docker run command and the docker daemon will receive it, so it will check if we have this specific image inside the docker host or not. If not, we will pull it. All right, now let's try use the pull command. So docker pull, so this to get the command. So instead of docker run something, no, we can use the docker pull, for example, hello-world like this, and I will type enter. You can see using the default tag, the latest, and it start pulling out. So let's have a look here. So the docker pull here issued from the client, and the docker host, the docker daemon receive it, and it will start pulling from the registry, and then we receive it as is. So if I type the docker pull again, you can see that the image is up to date. So no update has been done on the hello world image. All right, so docker images again, you can see now we have it here, and we pulled it from the docker registry, and in my case, which is docker hub, the public images or the public repositories. Now what if you want to have a private repositories or registry on docker hub? You can just create account there and use the docker login command, and here you put the username, you put the password. You can see I don't need to provide any for now, but just put your username that you used it on docker hub and the password, and then you can use the docker pull wherever you want and docker push wherever you want. So if you customize your image and you need to push the changes to the docker repo, you can just docker push and you will push it there. All right, now I'm assuming that you are familiar with the GitHub. Well, actually this is something like the GitHub exactly, okay, but instead of codes it will be images. All right, so simple. All right, thanks for watching.